Hi, and welcome. I'm Steve, and today I'd like to talk about Expireon, our platform for managing legacy data. In the previous video, we talked about several IT-related topics and Expireon. This part looks at the legal side of the product and discusses the eDiscovery functionality provided by Expireon. If you're not a part of your organization's legal team, feel free to forward the clip to your colleagues. We have another video that covers the topics which relate more to the IT and records management teams. You can find that clip easily in the Expireon section of our website. In this video, we'll focus on right-sized eDiscovery and how Expireon is built to support the legal ecosystem. Let's get started. As you saw in the previous video, Expireon is a modern information governance platform that safely stores regulatory data in a secure and tamper-proof way. But what about discovering the data on our platform? A good way to understand our approach is to look at the eDiscovery reference model, EDRM. This is the industry standard for carrying out legal investigations in the digital world. As you can see, the first stage, or the left hand, is to identify the information that needs to be looked at, preserve it from deletion or expiration, and collect it for the legal review itself. This is what Expireon provides, a right-sized approach to eDiscovery following the industry standard, but integrating and cooperating with the best-of-breed legal and forensic tools from vendors like Nuix or Relativity. Let's have a look. During the identification phase, the legal user creates a case inside Expireon's eDiscovery application, where he can set custodians individually or by department, and limit the time frame for the data in scope. By setting the legal hold option, Expireon prevents any item in the case from being expired or deleted until the case is closed and the hold removed. If needed, Expireon can create a full-text index to reduce the result set by keywords inside the file, email, or attachments. Once the results have been reviewed, the data set for the case can be exported into PSTs, or for systems that allow direct data transfer, uploaded directly into the legal tool of choice. When talking about the legal ecosystem, we normally mean four different things. The first is to work with an existing email compliance solution, something we refer to as an upstream archive. This includes leading cloud archives such as Proofpoint, but also Microsoft's Compliance Center for Office 365. The second category are legal tools, such as Relativity or Nuix. These are made for reviewing not only emails, but also files from laptops, paper documents, and often support the case up to the presentation in court. By integrating with these specialized applications, your legal team can review the information in a tool they know and like. The third category is the very common option to involve an outside counsel in the process. This is where Expireon not only has the fastest export in the industry, but because of the use of intelligent retention, there's less to export in the first place. You can deselect newsletters and other noise from this expensive outside review and save the organization some serious money in the process. And finally, there are managed service providers for eDiscovery who provide assistance during an investigation at a more streamlined cost. They're especially useful for larger cases. The good news is that Expireon provides everything you need to hand over relevant data to these specialist organizations. Okay, that's everything I wanted to cover in this video. Here's a quick recap. Expireon is a made-for-the-cloud application that uses open-source industry standards and original file formats to provide you with the most sustainable information governance platform on the market. It is in Cloudfission's DNA to provide seamless onboarding of legacy data by integrating the fastest, most secure, and most cost-effective migration option on the market. But the job's not done when the data is on the disk. By applying the latest AI and deep learning capabilities to the data, Cloudfission helps to identify risks, reduce the unwanted noise, and reinsert critical data into the right business processes. Instead of giving your legal team another tool that they need to learn, understand, and use, we have focused on the essentials by making the left side of EDRM as fast and simple as possible. And we are investing our time to integrate with the leading stakeholders in the legal space, both from a software and a services perspective. By combining next-generation migration technology with a unique, open, and intelligent information governance platform, CloudFision is revolutionizing the way businesses retire legacy systems and transform their organization into the cloud. Our business constantly remains focused on servicing client needs and creating solution offerings that match them. If you would like to learn more about how to bring cloud efficiency to your migration project, please visit our website, cloudefficient.com.